while I'm laughing here. I guess I was acting like a fool before this. Never mind. Anyway, we thought we'd show you a shot of the floor, because I'm sure you've noticed in all my videos, my shop is always perfect and clean. So here we are, we're on to our little 68 Chevelle. We're kind of ahead of the game here. We just did a video a couple days ago, and we're jumping the gun. We're going to do 2 videos this week, because I just wanted you guys to see exactly what is involved with this car, just how rusty this car is. And the owner's watching this video, so I want him to see that I really am earning the money you're paying me, trust me. Anyway, so here we go. So we haven't cut the wheel tubs out, but you can see what I've done is I've lifted the car off of the frame. And I've just lifted it off because it's a lot easier to get the trunk pan out of here. And, you know, why make the job difficult? So the inner and outer wheel tubs have got to come off. The same situation I showed you on the last video. I've already ripped it off the Bondo wherever it went. The guy made this lip on a Bondo. There should be a lip here. I don't know where it is. It's probably, you know, let's take a look here. Here it is. Here's the guy's handiwork. Went up on here somewhere. You know, went up on there, and that's the lip that's supposed to be metal on here. And then that's the lip on the quarter panel that's supposed to weld to this, but you can't really weld to Duraglass now, can you? So anyway, it's surprising what people will do. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick run here. You can see as we walk through here, I still got to cut, like I say, wheel tubs and the rest of the trunk pan still have to come off. And even before I put all that new stuff in, there's just a bunch of rust repair that has to be done on panels such as this that, you know, along here that are not coming off. So you can see what it all entails here as you walk around. And we will get all this cut off of here, and then we will blast. We'll blast what's ever left. Because obviously, like I explained to you in the other videos, there's braces such as like this is all part of the new quarter panels. This is an original, but all these kind of braces and this kind of stuff, they come off of here. They're spot welded on. They come off when you put the new wheel tubs on. So this stuff you don't replace. So we'll blast all that. But I just kind of leave it to the end because I just think why go ahead and start blasting everything when I'm going to be, because this car was so rotten. Why would I blast all the trunk pan and all the wheel tubs when I know they're just going to get cut off anyway? I'm just wasting the customer's money by using material on it, and I'm wasting my own time. Because the way I'm telling you, the way I'm blasting this, that isn't how most shops would do it. What they would do is they would take a whole car, they get it in, they'll get it off the frame, they'll get her, you know, all stripped down, glass, chrome, all that kind of bullshit, and they'll blast the entire car, and then they'll take it from there and see where they got to go, and they'll start cutting panels off. But for me, it just wasn't worth it because the quarters had to come off, the inner floors had to come out, the trunk pan had to come out, you know, half the firewall had to come out. So what's the point blasting all that? So what I've been doing is I've been blasting the roof. I blasted all the roof, you know, like I told you. I did all the door jambs. I did, you know, the dash, the firewall. I did up inside the roof area. I did all that area because that was all good. So now, you know, I can say I'll blast all this and we'll put it together. And, you know, it's one way or the other way. It's whatever people want to do, right? So I'm just kind of doing it this way. I'm just working my way through the cars. I slowly go along. But at the end of the day, the main thing that does matter is at least I blasted it. At least I blasted it. I eliminated the rust. I didn't leave it. I got rid of it, so it doesn't matter. They got done. But anyway, so here we are. I mean, here we are. You can see this is from the other wheel tub, Bondo. So we're going to get all this cut out. This will all be out of here by tomorrow. I just wanted you guys to see it. I got to throw a little bit of bracing inside here because when this comes out, there's going to be a lot of movement, obviously. So I just wanted to see what was going on. We got half the pan out of the chunk. The rest has got to come out. And that's it. So we'll give you an update at the end of this week of what's going on with the Chevelle. And I'll show you real quick what we've done here. Not that it's a big deal. Our little 64 Ford pickup. It's all masked off. And it's 4:30 right now. And I've been out here since 7:30. And mind you, I've done a bunch of running around and bullshit, which I'd like to actually rant about, but we'll get into that in a minute, or maybe we won't. But anyway, we're all ready. We got all masked off, so I'm going to get onto this, and I'm going to start primering this now. So it'll probably be a good hour and a half of primering, believe it or not, at least an hour anyway. So we'll get done around 5:30, clean the gun up, put the tools away, shut the compressor down, drain the compressor. Yeah, I should get out of here around 6:30, 7 o'clock. So that's a good 12-hour day, so yeah, we put it in. And that is about it. So, yeah, nothing else to tell you. I'll see you the end of the week. Yeah, that's all. watch for a rant, because I've got a rant coming up here, because I'm kind of pissed off today because I'm out here this late primering. Not that I'm never out here this late, but usually when I'm out here late, it's working on my own shit, not customer stuff. But yeah, we got a rant. You got to hear this rant. It's about customers that call you up and want you to come look at their car, and then you go look at it, and then they tell you, well, anyway, let's save it for the rant. See you later.